Hi, Josh Brinkman here, General Sales Manager at Tampa Harley-Davidson, inviting you down for all your new Harley-Davidson, pre-owned Harley-Davidson, and custom Harley-Davidson needs. We have a full line of new pre-owned and custom motorcycles ready for your enjoyment. If something custom is what you need, we can do anything that you need. Anything from electrical work, custom lighting, custom designs, air ride suspension, to the one-of-a-kind look, all the way to custom choppers. If you can dream it, we can make it happen. Come down and see our knowledgeable staff over at Tampa Harley-Davidson. Pick out your new ride, and hopefully we'll see you out on the road. Thanks, and have a great day.